Hello again. I wanted to show you how to navigate through the course. There are a lot of different ways you can learn how to do it, but I thought I could just walk you through it. So when you log in, this is the screen. No, that's not exactly true. This is the screen that it will take you to start with. And there's a couple different ways you can get to our class. Over there. Here, this little waffle icon, you can click on this and it will bring up your classes. So this is GS 120, they're down at the bottom, 120L, fall 2018, so you can click on it there. Or over here, my courses, this first one right here, GS 120L. So if you click on that, that takes you into our course. And it keeps moving my picture around. On the first screen here, you'll see an announcement from me. Each week I'll post an announcement at the beginning of the week that you can use just kind of as a guide. I'll give you a heads up about what's coming in the course that week. And also I try to give you, with specific assignments, I try to give you some tips on how to get the best grade on those assignments. So check your announcements there. In the middle of the week, I'll also post another announcement again to tell you when I finished grading that material for the week, so you can know to check in your grade book and keep up on your grades in that way. So those are the announcements. To get to the class itself, the content, you'll click content up in the left there. There's my information. And then there's a welcome start here button that you're going to click on. And that's going to kind of walk you through how iLearn works, how to get around the class. Lesson 1 is our first week here. And this basic format is what you'll see every week. You'll start with the pre-gathering folder. The material in here needs to be completed by Wednesday before your gathering, which is always on Thursday. You can click on, let's see, click on any of these and it'll open up your assignment and go from there. And then you have your gathering folder, which gives you what you need to do to prepare for your gathering. And then after you've attended, you'll click this attendance report and you'll go in and it's just a multiple choice question that says, yes, I attended all of my gathering, or no, I did not. And then the post-gathering is what you'll work on at the end of the week, wrapping everything up. So that's kind of the basic overview. When you log in, there's a couple things we ask you to do right away. Up in the right-hand corner, it'll have your name. It won't have a picture, but we'd like to have a picture. So if you click on your name there, you can click on Profile. And you can add a picture here by clicking on the button and uploading one from your computer. Another thing you can do from that same corner is go to Notifications. You can set it up so that it sends you messages when assignments are due and things like that. Another thing you'll want to do is go to Account Settings and make sure your time zone is correct. Time zone right there, because that's going to fix the deadlines that it's showing to make sure that it has the correct time for you where you are in the world. One last thing I want to point out that sometimes causes confusion. Each week there are 2 different discussion boards. One of them is always called Questions and Conversation, and the other one will be part of your lesson material that you'll write a specific discussion board post about. But this discussion board right here, the one that says Questions and Conversations, again, there'll be one in each week. This is a place where if you have a question about the course, you can start a new thread and you can type your question here. Hey, I wasn't sure what this meant. Can you help? And then I will check this board and answer those questions. The advantage to having it here instead of just emailing me is that then other students who might have the same questions can see those answers as well. So again, the questions and conversations is just for questions or for fun things you want to do. The discussion board that is your assignment is at a different place in the lesson. So just watch where you're posting things there. It probably seems overwhelming. There's a lot to figure out in the first little bit, but you'll get used to it, you'll figure it out. And the nice thing is that each week, the structure and the format of the lessons are the same. You're going to be doing the same types of assignments each week. So once you figure out how those work, then it becomes a lot simpler as you go from lesson to lesson. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can email me, you can text me, either on my cell phone or in the WhatsApp. You can even call if you need to. We can also set up a meeting in my virtual office, which is how I'm doing this video. And doing that, I can show you my screen and walk you through if you have questions, or you can even show me your screen if you're having trouble, and I can help walk you through different parts of the course. So a lot of different resources out there to help answer questions. So please don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to help. That's what I'm here for. And together we'll get it figured out and get you guys on your way to a great start this semester.